Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Big Countries Adventure. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, we would urge you to subscribe and hit that like button and ring the bell. For those guys that have subscribed already, we would like to say thank you. We hope to keep putting out good content for you guys, something that's interesting, something that's a little bit on the how-to educational side to help out, in situations. And we hope you sit back and enjoy the video. Down to 8.
Is it just the front ones or just?
Yeah, put your hand up on there and pull it out.
Because I said I have to get down on my knees.
Today. You gotta get your hand up under that, boy. You got a permanent mark on that.
Back too. Yeah. You gotta count 8 on that. Just to go down.
Oh.
You need some out of here? You need something out of here? The what? They on this side?
One of them is.
You got one for that side. You found the other one on that side.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Thank you.
few days ago, I put out a short video describing my jack pads. Give you guys a quick look at that. I put in the link also where I got the information to build these pads. So if you get a minute, go check out the video, a little short video. And then it'll lead you to the video where I learned how to build these things, but they're pretty stable jack pads. Not just for fifth wheel, but travel trailers and the sorts. Please remember to like and subscribe.